Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm so glad you could join us and I hope you stick around. Normally my channel is beauty subscriptions, everything beauty related, but I decided to try out a new type of subscription. It's involving snacks, and this one is called Variety Fun. It's a snack subscription. It has chips, cookies, candies, crackers, pretzels, popcorn, nuts. There is a classic fun box that's for $24.99. You get 40 snacks per box. There is a second option, a healthy fit box, that's 30 snacks for $39.99 a month. And then there is a third and fourth option that is an office kind, that's fun box. There's 200 snacks, classic snacks, for $149, and then there's an office fit box that's 200 snacks for healthy snacks, $249 a month. The shipping is free. I just randomly had found this box, just Google searching snack subscription boxes to see what's out there. My subscription addiction has a coupon code. I'm not sure how long it's good for, but it's MSA30. You receive 30% off your first box. And I just wanted to try this out. This is to have something different, to see if it's worth it. So I will show you what is in the box. It's a huge size box. Okay, and then it comes with this huge card. It says you can enter win a $100 Amazon gift card. You just take a quick survey, have a chance to win. And this is filled. You can see how deep the box is, and it's just completely filled up with different types of snacks. Okay, and there are, looks like 3 of these that are Snyder's of Hanover mini pretzels. I love pretzels. I have tried their peanut butter pretzels. They're really good. These are just, it says, looking to see if it has the expiration date. I don't see how long they're good for. Well, actually it says October 31st, 2020. So you have some months to be able to eat these. So they are fresh. And then there is goldfish baked cheddar flavored. And then popcorners. This is white cheddar flavor. And there's Pop Chips Potato Barbecue. I never heard of those. And this one has even vegan. Let's see back there, if you're into vegan snacks. Cheetos Crunchy. Those snacks. My kids love those. Chester's fries. These are the flaming hot kind. My kids always love the flaming hot kind of chips. There is the Cheetos Puffs. Let's see, this one says August of 2020. This one says July 2020. So it gives you some months to try them out. This one is just nacho cheese Doritos. And then here's some Cheez-It white cheddar. These actually come out to 62 cents per snack. Of course, I used the coupon code, the 30% off, so I only paid like $17 for this box, $17.99. Doritos Cool Ranch. And Lay's classic chips. And then we have, these is pine, this, vanilla wafers. These are mini cookies. And then this is Pure. I think this is the brand Pure. Yeah, this is by the same company. It's Pure. Sweetness Baking Company iced oatmeal cookies. Then we got Famous Amos bite-sized cookies, chocolate chip. And then there is, this is another one by that Pure Sweetness chocolate chip. And then this one is kind of like messed up a little bit in the packaging. This is roll-ups. This may be because of we've been having 98-degree weather, 100-degree weather, feels like. And then there's 2 more of those roll-ups. And then we have the Grandma's peanut butter cookies. This really good size. There is 2 of them in there. And then there's the chocolate chip ones. There's actually 2 of those. And then we have the Grandma's chocolate brownie. Yummy. Who doesn't love chocolate? And this is Keebler's bite-sized cookies, M&M minis. And then we have some more Cheez-It original. And the Chex Mix traditional. And Cheetos Flaming Hot Crunchy. There is some Mott's assorted fruit snacks. And there's 2 more of those. And then there is 2 of these Rice Krispie treats. And then there is 2 of the chewy. One is dark chocolate chunk and the other one is peanut butter chocolate chip. Granola bars. My son loves granola bars. And then we have Nature Valley Trail Mix fruit and nut. It also has almonds, raisins, peanuts, and cranberries. And then there is from Toasty, Lance brand peanut butter crackers. And then lastly I see is Grandma's vanilla. These are the cream filled cookies. So I'm going to see, first of all I'm going to see how many there are, and then I'll try a few to see what the taste quality is like, if they do taste, you know, if there's taste stale or they taste great. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and there is 40. So let me just pick out. I'll try the pretzels to see the quality of those, and let me pick something else out. Let me try one of the cookies, and then maybe as far as the chips, I'll try these pop chips. So put this here. Okay, this is the pop chips potato barbecue. This is non-GMO, gluten-free, 100 calories. This is a pop chip snack. And let's see if it says best before November 1st of 2020. Okay, let's just test the quality of it. See, this packaging is a little tough. Okay, here's what it looks like. That was really good. That was really good, really fresh. Let me try the pretzels. That was really good too. And then try them. These are pretty. This is definitely good. So these are definitely fresh products. And you get 40 of them. And if you use the code, the regular price is $24.99 a month. If you use the MSA30, I'm not sure, this is a disclaimer, I'm not sure how long the code is good for. So you can at least try it, and you can get the box for I think it's $17.99. And just give it a try. If you love snacks, especially if you have kids or grandkids, this is perfect, especially for the summer, if you're going camping, going on a road trip. Definitely worth trying out. So I'm so glad you joined me for this unboxing, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.